What is the EPA trying to do?
Well, they're trying to force businesses that emit greenhouse gases to get permits to do so. And what happened, if they comply with what's called the Clean Air Act, and they actually follow the law, it would have led to absurd results to require businesses to get permits. Because if they follow the law, it would require basically almost anybody, maybe even you, Donna, to get a permit to actually emit CO2. That's right. That's how extreme it is.
Because I do emit CO2.
You do a lot
Every
of CO2.
one of us does.
That's right. And so what the EPA did was, instead of looking at the law and saying, it's so extreme, so absurd, and they use the term absurd result if we did this, instead of saying, well, therefore, as a result, we can't regulate CO2 and require permits, which they should have done, they said, you know what we're going to do is we're going to just make up the law. We're going to pretend that certain provisions of the Clean Air Act don't exist, and we're going to create our own provisions. That way we can regulate a lot of businesses and force them to get permits, but we can get around them having to regulate like this really small business from getting their permits. So they're just making up law.